preschoolers. This is my cat Lily, and I'm showing her to you today because she starts with our next letter. Do you know what letter that is? C. That's right. C is for cat. Cat starts with C. All right, Lily, you can get down now. And the next letter that we're going to talk about is this one. Do you know what this letter is? That's right, D. And here's a picture of something that starts with D. This is a creature that some of my friends really like. Do you know what that is? Dinosaur, that's right. So dinosaur starts with D. D is for dinosaur. And those are the sounds for D and C. Well, this week, because it's springtime, and in the springtime things are starting to grow outside, plants and flowers, I thought we'd talk a little bit about how plants grow. And most plants begin as seeds. So we're going to learn about how a seed starts to grow. And I have a story called I'm a Seed. Seed starts with letter S. That's right. So let's find out about the seeds in the story. Oh, there are two of them. I'm a seed. I'm a seed too. Two seeds, but they look a little different. This one is kind of long and small, skinny and small. And this one is a little bigger and it's kind of raindrop shaped, isn't it? Two seeds under the ground, because that's where seeds start. You put them under the ground to get them to start growing. I'm going to be a marigold when I grow up, says this seed. Me too, says this one. Look what they're doing under the ground. They're starting to change. They're growing. These little white lines here are called roots. And the roots are going down into the ground to suck up water and good things from the soil to help the seed grow into a plant. So this seed says it will be a marigold plant, and this one says, I will too. And this seed, the marigold plant seed, says, no, you won't. No, you're not a marigold. You won't grow to be a marigold. Why not? Says this one. I wonder how that marigold seed knows that this one is not a marigold. Because you're a different kind of seed. What kind of seed am I? Ooh, look what the roots are doing. Now they're starting to grow up out of the ground. And above the ground, little leaves are growing. There are the new little plants starting to grow. The marigold plant and then the other plant. We don't know what kind of plant that is yet. So this plant says, what kind of seed am I? And the marigold says, how should I know? Wait and see. Wait how long, says the other plant. So here they are above the ground. They each have a couple of green leaves, but this one is bigger, isn't it? So it is a different kind of plant. Not too long. See, we're growing. My stem goes up, up, up. So this is the part of the plant called a stem, and the leaves are kind of attached to it. So this stem, the marigold plant stem, is growing up. And this one says, my stem goes sideways. The bigger plant stem is growing sideways all along the ground. The marigold says, my leaves are small and perky. My leaves are big and hairy, says the other plant. So bumblebee on that leaf. So they are very different plants, aren't they? Oh, now they have flowers. My flowers reach up to the sky, says the marigold. My flowers are hiding under my leaves. So the flowers look like they're kind of different shapes, don't they? but there's something that's the same about them. What color are they? That's right, they're both yellow, but they're a little bit different. The marigold says, my petals are yellow and orange and frilly. And the big plant says, my petals died. Oh, the flower's gone. Now I have green balls. Flowers are gone and there are some round green balls there instead. The marigold says, I have 20 flowers. And the other plant says, my green balls turned orange. What in the world am I? So the flowers turned into green balls, and they turned into big round orange balls, and the stem crawls along the ground. I think we learned about this plant in the fall. Do you remember what it is? Let's see. A pumpkin plant. You grew 6 pumpkins, says the marigold. They're beautiful. Thank you, says the pumpkin plant. I am very proud. Marigold knows some more things. Know what's inside of us? What? What's inside those plants? Seeds. When my seeds are planted, they will become new marigolds. When my seeds are planted, they will become new pumpkins. So you can see the marigold seeds are right here at the bottom of the flower, those long skinny seeds. And inside the pumpkin are the round, kind of raindrop-shaped pumpkin seeds. And the pumpkin says, there should be a name for this. There is, said the marigold. It's called life. So when seeds from grown-up plants are planted and then they grow, that's life. That's how things grow. Well, I have some seeds today, and my seeds are from a sunflower plant. And we're going to use these to talk about a little bit of math today. So we're going to practice some math skills. And on this plate, I have some sunflower seeds. I have 2 groups of sunflower seeds. There's one group, there's the other group. Which group has lots and lots of seeds in it? Where do you see lots of seeds? Right here, that's right. So this one has more seeds. And which group has less seeds? Fewer, not as many. This one, that's right. So there are more seeds here, and less seeds or fewer seeds over here. Good. Well, now we're going to do a little something with numbers of seeds. So I have some seeds on this plate. And again, I have 2 groups. So there's one group and there's the other group. Which group has only 1 seed in it? Where do you see just 1 seed? Right there, that's right. Which group has 2 seeds in it? Oop, sliding on my plate. There, 2 seeds. So where are there more seeds? Are there more seeds here or here? Which one has more? This one, that's right, because 2 is more than 1. Wonder what would happen if I put them together. Let's slide these seeds together. And then can you tell, oops, keep sliding. Can you tell without counting how many seeds I have there now? And if you have to count 2, that's okay. 3, that's right. 1 seed plus 2 seeds equals 3 seeds. We're doing a little bit of adding here. Okay, let's try something else. Let's add 2 more seeds. So we have 3 seeds in our group. If we add 2 more seeds, how many seeds do we have now? So 3 seeds plus 2 seeds. Can you tell without counting? 5 seeds, that's right. 3 plus 2 equals 5. So we're doing a little bit of addition. So you can practice that at home If you have seeds at your house, you can use seeds, or if you don't have seeds, you can use coins or any small objects that you have a lot of. And you can practice having groups of seeds and putting them together, seeds or coins or whatever you have, and putting them together. You could find out how many 2 plus 2 makes when you put them together. And then you can talk to someone at home about that. So that's something that you can practice, a little bit of counting and a little bit of adding at home. Well, that's all for today. See you next time. Bye, everybody.